These air conditioners are made in China by Midea and are sold online through Walmart. All of the units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R32. The KAW models are available for regular or casement windows and use 115-volt power. The casement window model, KAW10C1AWT, has a 10,000 BTU cooling capacity and a 10.4 EER efficiency, while the regular unit, KAW06 or 1BWT, has a 6,000 BTU capacity with an 11 EER efficiency. The WWK model has basic mechanical controls and only a 2-speed fan with a 5,000 BTU cooling capacity, but they are very inexpensive. The guarantee on the compressor, which is the heart of any air conditioner, is not very good when compared to other brands. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.